Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this review reflects my personal experience with the platform. Portfoliobox, found at www.portfoliobox.net, offers a streamlined and user-friendly website building experience specifically designed for creatives. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies the design process, allowing users to effortlessly arrange and customize website elements without any coding knowledge. The platform provides a variety of modern and stylish templates, catering to different artistic disciplines, including photography, design, illustration, and more. These templates serve as a solid foundation, offering a professional aesthetic that can be further personalized to reflect individual style and branding. Users can easily upload their work, organize it into galleries, and showcase projects with detailed descriptions and high-resolution images. Portfoliobox also integrates e-commerce functionalities, empowering artists to sell their creations directly through their websites. This seamless integration eliminates the need for third-party platforms and simplifies the sales process, allowing for a cohesive brand experience. Furthermore, the platform offers blog integration, providing a space to share news, insights, and connect with a wider audience. This feature enables artists to build a stronger online presence and foster a community around their work. Portfoliobox prioritizes mobile responsiveness, ensuring that websites look and function flawlessly across various devices. In today's mobile-centric world, this is essential for reaching a broader audience and providing an optimal viewing experience. The platform also offers SEO, search engine optimization, tools, helping users improve their website's visibility in search engine results. This feature assists in attracting organic traffic and increasing the chances of being discovered by potential clients or collaborators. With its focus on simplicity, customization, and essential features, Portfoliobox presents a compelling solution for creatives seeking a hassle-free way to establish a professional online presence and showcase their talents to the world. It's a platform designed to empower artists and help them thrive in the digital landscape.